Good morning, dear children. Welcome to our school YouTube channel Academia Ambala. Today, we will learn conversion of units of mass, that is, conversion from kilograms into grams and from grams into kilograms. First of all, we will learn to convert kilograms into grams. Students, we know that 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram. So, students, to convert kilograms into grams, either we can multiply the given numbers of kilograms by 1000 or simply put 3 zeros to the right of the number of kilograms. Let us learn the concept of converting bigger units of mass to smaller units, that is from kilograms to grams, with few examples. Example 1. Convert 8 kilograms into grams. Students, we know that 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 grams. So 8 kilograms will be 8 multiplied by 1000, that is 8000 grams. Example 2, children. We have to convert 23 kilograms 750 grams into grams. Children, we can write 23 kilograms 750 grams as 23 kilograms plus 750 grams. And now, as we know, 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 grams. So 23 kilograms will be 23 multiplied by 1000 grams plus 750 grams. 23 multiplied by 1000 is equal to 23,000 grams plus 750 grams, that is 23,750 grams. So, children, we can conclude that while converting bigger unit into smaller unit, that is kilograms into grams, we have to multiply number of kilograms by 1000. Conversion of units of mass. Now we will learn conversion of smaller unit into bigger unit. That is, we will convert grams into kilograms or kilograms and grams. We know, children, 1000 grams is equal to 1 kilogram. So, to convert grams into kilograms or kilograms and grams, we separate the ones, tens and hundreds digit from the given number of grams. The number thus formed by ones, tens and hundreds digit gives us grams, and the remaining number gives us kilograms. Let us learn this also with example, children. Example 3 is equal to convert 9000 grams into kilograms. Children, we know that 1000 grams is equal to 1 kilogram. So 9000 grams will be 9 kilograms. Example 4. Convert 6500 grams into kilograms and grams. Children, we can write 6500 grams as 6000 grams plus 500 grams. As we know that 1000 grams is equal to 1 kilogram. So 6000 grams will make 6 kilograms and 500 grams will remain as it is. So 6500 grams is equal to 6 kilograms 500 grams. Now children, let us revise. Our question is, fill in the blanks to make equal weights on both the sides. A is 4 kilograms is equal to 4000 grams. 25 kilograms is equal to, yes, 25,000 grams. C, 3000 grams will be equal to 3 kilograms. D, 500 grams plus 500 grams will make 1 kilogram. E part is, children, 500 grams is equal to dash 100 grams. 500 grams is equal to 5 times 100 grams. F is 500 grams is equal to dash 200 grams plus 100 grams. It is 2 times 200 grams plus 1 time 100 grams. Thank you, children. God bless you all.